What if I told you that one of the things you call relaxing is actually weakening your mind? Sounds strange, right? Because in your head, you're just taking a break. You're just unwinding. But what if this habit, this innocent little escape, is the reason your focus is dying, your discipline is fading, and your potential is slowly shrinking? Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed how after relaxing for a while, you don't feel energized, you feel empty? You don't feel refreshed, you feel even more tired? That's not relaxation. That's slow mental decay. And most people don't even see it happening. But you're not most people. So let's talk about it. Because once you understand what's actually going on, you'll start to take your time, your mind, and your life a lot more seriously. Here's the truth: the things you do to rest are shaping your mind more than the things you do to work. Your breaks are building your brain, or breaking it. And for a lot of people today, their break time is destroying them. Let's get into the real reasons why. The first thing that weakens your mind is passive escape. You know exactly what I mean: scrolling endlessly, watching random videos, drifting from one useless piece of content to the next. You tell yourself, just 5 minutes. But the truth is, it's not 5 minutes. It's your entire attention span bleeding out drop by drop. Think about the last time you were scrolling. Did you control the app, or did the app control you? Because the moment you lose control of your attention, you lose control of your life. And nothing drains the mind faster than passive entertainment disguised as relaxation. Real rest restores you. Passive escape drains you. And if you don't know the difference, you'll keep weakening the very mind you're trying to fix. The second thing that weakens your mind is comfort without purpose. People think comfort is harmless. But comfort is one of the most dangerous things when you do it without intention. Picture this: you get home tired. You sit down just for a moment. You tell yourself you deserve it. And suddenly, hours are gone, the day is wasted, and you're even more exhausted than before. Why? Because comfort without purpose turns into mental laziness. Your brain gets used to the path of least resistance. It stops seeking challenges. It stops fighting. It stops growing. And a mind that stops growing starts weakening. The strongest people in the world aren't the ones who avoid comfort. They're the ones who choose it intentionally, not accidentally. They rest with direction, not distraction. The third thing weakening your mind is fake productivity. This one hurts because it feels productive. It feels responsible. It feels smart. But your mind knows the truth. You tell yourself you're planning. You're researching. You're preparing. But deep down, you know you're avoiding the real work. Your brain isn't tired, it's scared. Scared of failing. Scared of discomfort. Scared of taking action that actually matters. So it hides behind tasks that feel safe. Scrolling through motivational quotes. Watching productivity videos. Organizing your desk. Learning without ever applying. This isn't relaxing your mind. It's putting your mind to sleep, slowly, while tricking you into thinking you're improving. If your relaxation feels productive but produces nothing, it's not helping you. It's weakening your discipline and destroying your momentum. And finally, the fourth habit that weakens your mind is escaping your emotions instead of confronting them. We all do it. You feel stressed, so you distract yourself. You feel lonely, so you drown it with entertainment. You feel anxious, so you run to anything that can numb you. But here's the truth nobody likes to admit: anything you run from owns you. And when you use a relaxation to avoid your emotions, you're not calming your mind, you're giving your emotions more power. A strong mind isn't a mind that feels nothing. A strong mind is a mind that faces what it feels, without breaking. If you always run, you never grow. If you never grow, you weaken. And if you weaken long enough, your life becomes something you no longer control. So what's the takeaway? Relaxation isn't the problem. Your mind needs rest. Your body needs rest. Your life needs moments of quiet. But there's a difference between resting and escaping. Between recharging and draining yourself while pretending to recharge. Between intentional breaks and mindless distractions. Ask yourself, does this make me stronger, or does it make me weaker? Do I come back from this break better, or do I come back worse? Is this rest, or is this avoidance? Your mind becomes whatever you feed it. Feed it distraction, it becomes chaotic. Feed it comfort without purpose, it becomes dull. Feed it fake productivity, it becomes confused. Feed it avoidance, it becomes fragile. But feed it intentional rest, focus, and discipline, and it becomes unstoppable. So here's my challenge to you, don't just relax. Relax with purpose. Relax with awareness. Relax in a way that actually strengthens you. Take real breaks. Take mindful breaks. Give your mind the kind of rest that makes you sharper, not weaker. And before you leave, tell me in the comments, what's the one habit you thought was helping you, but now you realize is actually draining your mind? If this video opened your eyes even a little, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this wake-up call. Your mind is your greatest weapon. Treat it like one.